Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna do the satisfying slime challenge. Yeah.
Doesn't stick to the table at all.
This is really fun. I recommend you guys to do this
At home. Because you know at home.
or you can do it anywhere as long as you have a hard surface to use your table. So yeah.
Or you can do it with your hands.
Yeah, you can do it like this. And now we'll be showing off our slimes.
Whole
first-
slimes.
Yeah, oh yeah, my slimes. But she's not allowed to have slime. Okay, first I'm going to show off her slime. So this is my fluffy slime that I made with glitter glue. With glitter glue. And I used shaving cream to make it fluffy. I didn't use water. Yeah, and it's really cool. It's not that stretchy, but it's really fluffy. So you can play with it. Now, this is my foam slime. My friends made this, and I traded them stuff for it. It has glitter, a ton of cool stuff. It has foam. I think it has some fishbowl beads. I think it has those star things. And it has gold flakes, I believe. I think so. I don't know. And it has like shimmery glitter flakes. And yes, I really like it. And I have way more of it. If you guys have seen some of my videos, I just put it in this container since I got new containers. Because it was kind of boring.
I never did this in my entire life.
Oh, guys, I have bubble soap. I don't know what it is though. I made bubble soap. And we have a special guest. Bugsy. The special guest is this guy.
Okay, put him down.
That's a special guest.
This is very cool slime.
And this is a special guest too. Ditch the special.
Huh.
No, I'm always like that to her.
Yes, she is. And I always play with it.
It's always a joke.
Yeah. She always messes around with me, just like my grandpa.
You want them to see your gems? We should make a gem slime. Bring your gems out, Story, so they can see your gems.
So,
She wasn't satisfied.
next video. Okay? Next video.
I really like this one.
How do you make a channel?
Do you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Once this video's over. So guys,
If
hope
you
like this video,
if you did,
smash that like button and subscribe to become a pro. And till next time, goodbye.